So, this is the bowl I used to collect business cards. Many skeptics approached me. They said, Bitcoin, that's crashed. I gave them facts. I gave them figures. And I forced some orange pills down their throat. Since 2020, Bitcoin has been the highest performing asset.
Fact. Guys, yes indeed, Bitcoin, it does crash. It always crashed. And in the future, it's going to crash again. It's guaranteed, okay? But you see, it rallies 100% and then it has corrections. Then it consolidates for a while and then it rallies again. And then it crashes again, okay? But as I said, since 2020, of all the major assets, nothing has performed as well as Bitcoin, okay? And this is the beauty of it. This is why you're better off being a medium-term thinker instead of a short-term crypto trader. 90% of traders lose money, 100% of investors make money. So you're changing from a 90% failure rate to a 100% success rate by changing your time horizon and your strategy. That's what we do at Bitcoin with Dini. If you need help, give us a shout!